Hi foodies, welcome to MellowBites. I'm Deepa. Getting your kids ready to school with good energy is very important. At the same time, when they come back from school with very less energy, it's very important to give them energy giving snack. And wonder what if the snack can be made in just 5 minutes. And we are going to see just 4 snacks that can be made under 5 minutes. And it's energy giving, tasty and healthy. The very first snack we are going to make is Paneer Roll. The cheesy paneer, the nutty flavors, the sweetened raisins is going to add so much of energy, health and of course taste, and your kids is going to like it so much. I'm gonna add 8 pistachios, 8 almonds and 8 walnuts to this and chop it. So here we go. So we are adding half cup of scrambled paneer, chopped nuts, and we have chopped raisins as well. I have chopped here 12 raisins and I am adding that. I am going to transfer this into this chopper bowl. We are going to just add flavor to it by sprinkling some chaat masala. Here we have paneer full of proteins and nuts. Now the stuffing for the paneer roll is ready. I am going to cut the corner of the bread slices. Now let's roll this into a thin sheet as much as possible. Now let's place this paneer filling at the center and then just roll it off. I've added ghee to this tawa. I'm going to place the bread rolls carefully here. Now let's turn this bread roll carefully. You can just add to the edges. Now the bread is being roasted. Let's transfer the roll. The second snack we are going to see is energy giving balls. Yes, you guessed it right. It's full of nuts and sweet and it's just 5 minutes you can make and it's full of power packed with nutrition. Here I have 1 cup of roasted peanuts. Add it to a blender and coarsely grind that. Now I have coarsely ground the peanuts. Look here. I'm gonna add half cup of sesame seeds. Here I am using black sesame seeds. You can use brown sesame seeds as well. It's up to your choice, but make sure it's roasted. And I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of flax seeds. Both are so good for health and I'm gonna add this. Now it's time to add half cup of jaggery. I'm gonna again blend this. So I've blended this very well. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. This peanuts and sesame seeds actually have a nice oily texture and the jaggery oozes out water, so you don't need to add anything additionally. Now it's time to make balls. This is really energy giving, and when your kids come back tired from school, you can just give this and then they are going to love this and have again and again. The third snack is poha granola. Yes, it's an Indian granola style and it's made with red poha and lots of nuts. Take 1 cup of red poha and wash it very well and drain out the water. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to a kadai. I have 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nut, a tablespoon of chopped pistachios. Fry it for a few seconds. And then I'm gonna add some raisins as well. Here I have a tablespoon of raisins. You can add as much as sweetness you need. Roast it well. When you see the raisins popping up like this, like a balloon, it's the right consistency. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of jaggery. Mix it well, and when you see the jaggery melted very well, I'm gonna add this red poha. So add this red poha and then just roast it for few seconds until you see the milk and the jaggery is nicely coated. Kids are gonna love this. So I'm going to top it up with nice amount of roasted sesame seeds and just switch off the stove. Let it cool off, and after it cool down you can see the crunch flavors of the nuts and even the red poha turns crunchy and it's perfect to serve your kids. The fourth snack is roasted banana. It's more like a dessert and you don't need to add a bit of sugar in it, but sweet and so flavorful. This is special bananas called Nendram bananas that's very famous in Kerala. You can make this roasted banana only with this variety. So let's cut this bananas and peel off the skin. Its smell itself makes a huge difference. I'm gonna cut each banana into 4 slices. You can even make smaller one. Now this tawa is nice and hot. Add the ghee. Ghee adds a nice flavor to this dish. Do not use oil. Ghee is very healthy for your kids. Roast these bananas only in ghee. That gives a perfect dessert consistency. Now drizzle in nice slivered almonds on the top of this bananas. This gives a nice crunchy texture. Now let's turn this carefully. Look at the perfect roasted bananas. Now the almonds will be going and getting roasted that side. Now again I'm going to drizzle in this almonds. Now let's turn this roasted bananas again and just make that almonds cook for a while. Let's transfer this roasted bananas to a serving bowl. So all the 4 energy giving snacks is ready right over here. Let's call Purna and Bhargav and see how they like it. Purna and Bhargav, can you come?
Yeah, Mom. Oh my God.
Where's Bhargav? Here are the snacks. Just try it out and say how it's.
I'm gonna try this one.
So they're picking off the paneer rolls very first. How's that?
It's good. It tastes like bread toast.
You want to try these roasted bananas? Yeah. Go ahead with the spoon. Try that out.
It's really, really good. I like the almonds that are roasted on the top. My favorite part is the bananas because it's like it's giving a tangy flavor.
Now try this Indian granola. How's that?
This is unique and different type which I never ever tried.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is something so delicious balls. It's called energy balls. Do you want to try that?
Yeah.
How does that look?
Looks like chocolate. These are made out of flax seeds.
Do you love that?
Yeah, these are good because all the like protein bars and like energy bars they sell at the store.
Oh, you
love
cooking
sugar.
that protein bar flavors in this?
Yeah, so it's better than the ones
So
that you get at the store.
you can see that the kids are loving the flavor. And which is your most favorite? Which one do you
Mine
pick?
is the bananas and these ones. I like this one and this one and I like this one and I like this
You
one.
like all the 4? So you don't need to prepare this well. Like it takes 5 minutes when the kids are coming home. Get ready with it and they're gonna love it. Hope you try all these 4 snacks. And thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye.